I had a strong academic experience at UW-Platteville, but then volunteering at Southwest Health Center allowed me to take some of the experiences or the concepts that I was learning and apply them, or see how they're applied at an organization, which really strengthened just the strict academic experience that I was getting at UW-Platteville. I would definitely recommend taking, no matter what amount of time students have to volunteer during their 4 or 5 or 6 years here at UW-Platteville, and giving back to the community. I was surprised to find out the number of different areas that volunteers can work in, and the number of different events that there are that really take place because of the volunteer force at Southwest Health Center. It's a very rewarding and fulfilling experience. I got to interact with a large variety of people, both professionals at the hospital and different patient populations, and other volunteers as well. Not only was my volunteer experience at Southwest Health Center personally rewarding, but it definitely was a distinguishing factor or line item that I could add to my resume when I went to apply for positions post-graduation from UW-Platteville. Southwest Health Center is definitely the premier healthcare organization in southwestern Wisconsin, and volunteering here gave me some real-world exposure to various operational aspects of a hospital or just any business organization, and is also really a nice item to add to your resume when you're going to apply for jobs post-graduation. For myself, I went to school for business administration with the ultimate goal of getting into healthcare, so that was very germane to applying at other healthcare organizations. But I think now that I've been in the working world for a few years and looking back as we look to hire people, it's really important that you can demonstrate that you have real-world experience. So I guess if I were to have to sum up my volunteer experience at Southwest Health Center while I was a student at UW-Platteville, it's that it was rewarding not only academically, but also as I progressed professionally, and then to myself personally. My volunteer time at Southwest Health Center definitely was a distinguishing factor on my resume when I went to apply for jobs post-bachelor graduation. It was definitely clear throughout my time here that the organization really valued the amount of time that I was able to give to the organization in a variety of different capacities. And then it's also allowed me to maintain a lot of nice network connections post-graduation.